बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कैसे हैं दोस्तों आप? So today's my project to discuss with you and to show you is a small plot of 35 feet by 20 feet 7 inches and length 35 feet. So the requirement of the client was to build a house on the first floor. In the ground floor, they want to make this complete area as the open hall, like a shop or like big shop. So what I have planned over here, this I make entrance in this side to go to the upstairs, and this is a staircase which is going to the main building. And on this side there's a small veranda in the front of the shop, and this will be the entrance of the shop, and this backside complete area will be utilized as a shop. It can be a big shop like 20 feet, but almost 30 feet size. Of 30 feet is the shop size. They can make a big supermarket or a bakery over there. So this was the ground floor. When we come to first floor, so you can see here from the hill stairs are coming up, and there is a living area in urban hall about 15 feet by 9 feet 10 inches, and one kitchen here. This is a small OTS which will give ventilation to the toilet and this kitchen, and it's a one bedroom 12 feet by 12 feet. If we come to this side, front side, this is a 13 feet by 11 feet one bedroom with attached toilet, and it's a small open terrace which will give ventilation to the hall and to the bedroom also. Actually, this is all three area sides are have plots, so we cannot give ventilation on the outer side. That's why we try to create the ventilation inside the building, because ventilation is very much important for any of the structure, any of the house, even building, whatever you are making it. So you have to take care of the ventilation more than anything. One thing you can see, always try to put the wash basin in front of the door of the bathroom. Why? So when you will open, you can have a good view. I've seen somewhere they try to put WC or shower in front of the door. No, that's not good. It looks very ugly. So best thing is to put wash basin in front of the door, and toilet and washing shower area will be on the sides. So this is today's plan. So I hope you like the idea. If you have any better opinion, anything different, please give us in your comments, that so we can improve our plan. Thank you very much for today. See you in the next video.